Aurora nails made simple and not thick. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to need is a base coat and a no wipe top coat, any brand you want. You'll need some translucent flakies, and I will try to have links in the description box of similar products. You will also need a transparent gold powder. This one was from the Born Pretty store. You'll need a brush for applying the flakies, just an old one, and a sponge applicator for your powder. You will need a palette of some sort so that you can put some base gel on there. And now I'm just going to decant a small amount of the base gel onto the palette, and that's what we will use later to apply the flakies to the nail. And now I apply the base gel, but I do not cure it yet. And now with the base gel that I decanted right here, I'm going to use it and the brush and apply the flakies into the wet base gel. All I do is load up the brush with the base and then dip it inside the little container full of the flakies, and then dab the flakies onto the nail. I focus on applying the flakies in the center of the nail. When you apply these, just use your brush and maybe a little bit extra base gel. Pat these flakies down nice and flat so they're not sticking up, causing a lot of little bumps. Before curing, just look at the nail, make sure that there's not a lot of flakies sticking up. If so, pat them down again. And now you're going to cure this for 1 minute. And now it's time to top coat using the no wipe top coat. And you want to make sure that you have a nice thick layer of this top coat to encapsulate all the little flakies and the little ones that might be sticking up. I also run a bead of the top coat down the middle, flip my finger over, let gravity pull it to make sure everything is encapsulated real well, and now I'll cure it for 1 minute. Now it's time to apply the transparent gold pigment. I brush off the excess pigment, and now I'm going to top coat again with the no wipe top coat. If you want, you can apply another layer of the transparent gold pigment just the same way you do here. That will give you this more intense depth look, like you are looking deep into space. Now I clean off the excess powder with a wipe and some isopropyl alcohol, and the nail is finished. And that is the end of the video. Just look at these beautiful nails. If you like this video and you want more of this content, please give me a like, tell me in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will always be notified of my next video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.